Usually when we're using curry paste, we'd add it to a curry with some vegetables and meat and lots of coconut milk. But I'm going to show you a different application. I'm going to be using this Malaysian Nyonya curry paste as a marinade for a butterflied lamb leg. It's so delicious. And what it does is creates this beautiful, flavoursome crust. Now, I've left the fat on it because fat is flavour. And what I'm going to do is just use a sharp knife just to cut through it slightly. And I do this because it's going to allow the curry paste to really penetrate into the meat. Now we'll just open our curry paste, and this one has curry powder through it, turmeric, lemongrass. It's got all the wonderful flavours you want for a gorgeous curry paste, and it goes so well with lamb. Usually this is done with chicken, but the lamb just really is outstanding. So use the back of your spoon to massage this beautiful curry paste in. We'll turn it over and do it on the other side. And just to echo the flavours in that curry paste, I've added some ginger, some spring onions and lemongrass to the base of a baking dish. We'll place our lamb on top, and it looks a little messy now, but I promise you it's worth it because it's going to come out so perfectly. Finally, I'll finish this off with a good pinch of salt and a little extra virgin olive oil, just a small drizzle. So the oven is set at 200 degrees and it's going to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes, or a little longer if you want it more well done. Lamb's out of the oven and I have allowed it to cool for about half an hour. Just to rest, I would serve this on a board as is, slice it at the table, just so everyone can see how perfectly cooked the meat is. Look at that, a crispy top, juicy in the centre. Serve this with your favourite sides, maybe some rice if you like, but this is just a perfect example of how you can use up your curry paste. It's not just for curries, it's also fantastic on lamb, just like this.